put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down, I won't let you down. And we'll be singing, girl, put your love on me. I feel it all around, I feel it all around. And we'll be singing. We'll be singing. Ooh, 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 we'll be singing. Girl, put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down, I won't let you down. We'll be singing. Girl, put your love on me. I feel it all
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my very long overdue awaited desk tour or what's on my desk type thing. This is also my makeup desk. So we're gonna do a little bit of both. This is very long overdue, like I said. If you are new here, by the way, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I make new videos every week, such as videos like this, which is like lifestyle. I do beauty, fashion, travel, all those kinds of things. So like I said, this is also my makeup desk. So this is basically like a place that I come and just do my work, and I also do my makeup here as well as doing my work. So I like to fill or clutter, as I would say, because it does have a lot of stuff on it, but it's all stuff that like make me happy and inspire me to work hard, and you know, just where I can come and like unwind and just look at pretty things that kind of like make up who I am as a person. So it's filled with a lot of girly, like sparkly, pretty things that just like motivate me to do my best work. This is definitely my favorite place in the house. It just is so inspiring to me. It makes me so happy. And eventually I will get my own makeup room, but for now I'm going to just keep this as my workspace and makeup place. So yeah, so as you can see behind me, it's just tons of like girly pretty things, but I'll get into that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, or enjoy this video since you haven't watched it yet, didn't enjoy it yet. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's just get started. So when you first walk up to my desk, this is what you see from the overview. It looks kind of messy. I just have like a lot of stuff on it, that's why. But this is my chair. I have this fuzzy blanket from Home Goods and this like white fluffy rug that's from Amazon. And the chair and also the desk are both from Hay Needle, I believe. And I will have everything linked down below as always. So first we're gonna start over here. So I just have this little lipstick rotator. It's not completely full yet, but I just keep my Jeffree Star lipsticks on top, and then just some Kylie Cosmetics, some drugstore ones. And this is from Zahra Beauty, and I will also have that link down below. This lamp I'm not 100% sure about because my mom gave this to me, so I don't know where she got that, but I just have some cute little candles and a candle holder from Bath & Body Works. Right here I have this cute little thing that says Hello Gorgeous, and it has like the glitter inside of it. This is from my friend, I think it's from Home Goods as well. Some perfumes. I have this little pen holder. This is from Target, and then I just have like my scissors and a bunch of my pens and things like that. Some hand lotion when my hands get dry when I'm doing my videos or editing or whatever. This really cute stapler. This is from Target as well. It's marble and it's so pretty. I have my mirror. I just got back from the gym, so I look like a mess. But right here I have my speaker. This is for all my voiceovers. This is the Blue Ice, the white edition. And I basically just plug this into my laptop right here. My MacBook, and then I just do my voiceovers with that. This laptop cover is from Juicy Couture. Now over here I have this cute little thing just for like a nice pretty accent on my desk. This is from Too Faced. It's just like a few eyeshadow palettes. It's more for like looks. I don't really use those eyeshadow palettes that much. Then I just keep all my brushes in these little coffee mugs. This is from Rue 21 from Forever Ago. It has like the pink donuts on it. And then I have this really pretty one that says I wake up for makeup, and this is from my aunt. It was a gift. So I just keep all my brushes in here. This holder is from Amazon, and it came with the beads as well. I will try to find that and link that down below too. These are just some skincare products from Tatcha. I just love the coloring of them, so I keep them on my desk just because I like how it looks and just pretty with the accents. And I have another candle from Bath & Body Works. This one is from Michael's. Another like little accent that says shine on with the rose gold glitter. I have some flowers from my boyfriend, and this dog, I get so many questions about this. It is from a shop called Sparkle and Shine Darling outside of Miami. It has the cutest things ever. Like if I were to create a shop, I would definitely have a shop like this. So I will try to find that, link it down below. It's actually a piggy bank, but I just use it to pull my desk together. And yeah, like I said, I just like to have like really pretty things that motivate me when I'm working. Right here, I have my planners, my Lily Pulitzer planner and my Erin Condren planner. I cannot live without those. I plan every single day. And I think I'm going to start doing like plan with me videos as well. I have my Apple Watch, my friend's headphones for when I'm editing. Next, we're going to go into some drawers. I keep my makeup in here, so I just have my concealers and foundations, some bronzers, some primers. I'm not going to go too into depth with my makeup because that'll be a different video, but in here I just have mascaras and eyeliners, brow products. Down here I have all of my palettes. We're going to skip over here. Oh, I forgot, I have my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day collection mirror that I keep on my desk as well. Super cute. Then in here, this is my favorite drawer. It's all my lip products, all my lip scrubs, my glitters, and my eyeshadow pigments. And then this is kind of like just a junk drawer where I keep like extra candles, some perfumes, setting sprays, stuff like that. And then right here, this is like my craft drawer. So I keep like all my washi tapes, some regular tape, some staples, a razor to cut the washi tape, random nail polish, some whiteout. And then I just have my passport right here. And right over here, I just have like all my different stickers for my planner. So I keep them all in this little case that my Erin Condren planner came in. And then I have some from Michael's and stuff like that. So this whole drawer is basically dedicated to my planner, as you can see. So, and then right here, I just keep some makeup wipes, obviously. And this brand I would not recommend. They burn your eyes really bad and they don't even work that good. But that's why I keep them in here, not the bathroom. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my desk tour. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.
Put some love on me.